What's happening, Payman's Bulletin crew? Get ready, because we've got a whirlwind of news hitting you fast. Tencent is pushing into new international territories with their TCE Sovereign Cloud, and we've got all the details on what that means for global markets and businesses looking to expand their digital footprint. You won't want to miss this. And that's not all. Tencent itself just bought back a massive chunk of shares, and we're diving deep into what this could signal for investors and the market. We've got the numbers, and they're significant. But wait, there's more. A Tencent-affiliated company, Xunce Technology, is aiming to be the first stock in asset management data, and we're breaking down their ambitious IPO plans and the financial journey behind it. This is huge for the fintech world. And finally, get this, LilliLandia Games, under the Tencent umbrella, is dropping a brand new fantasy life sim called Animula Nook. We're talking whimsical worlds and cozy adventures. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a beat. Tencent's global cloud ambitions take flight. Ever wondered how tech giants are shaping the future of digital infrastructure worldwide? Well, Tencent is making some serious moves on the international stage with its Tencent Cloud Enterprise, or TCE, Sovereign Cloud offering. This isn't just about expanding their reach. It's about adapting to the complex and evolving needs of global businesses. Tencent is doubling down on enhancing TCE with cutting-edge intelligent computing capabilities and ensuring it perfectly adapts to diverse ecosystems. They're not just talking about improvements. They're actively working on supporting more GPU models, refining GPU resource monitoring, and integrating more advanced AI agents and regulated functions. This strategic push is designed to offer robust, secure, and compliant cloud solutions for businesses operating across different regulatory landscapes. International customers are taking notice, especially those navigating the intricacies of digital sovereignty. The buzz is palpable as businesses look for reliable partners to secure their data and operations. Will Tencent's TCE become the go-to solution for global enterprises seeking advanced, sovereign cloud services? But hold on, the Tencent story doesn't end there. We're about to explore another significant financial move by the company itself. Next up, Tencent's massive share buyback and what it means for you. Tencent buys back millions in shares, a market signal. In a significant move that's got investors buzzing, Tencent recently announced a substantial share buyback. This isn't just a routine financial maneuver. It's a signal that could indicate confidence in the company's future or a strategic adjustment in its capital structure. On September 23rd, Hong Kong exchanges and clearing records revealed that Tencent purchased a staggering 867,000 shares. The total value of this buyback, a cool $554 million. This large-scale repurchase of its own stock often suggests that a company believes its shares are undervalued or aims to boost shareholder value by reducing the number of outstanding shares. Market watchers and shareholders are closely analyzing this development. Does this buyback signal Tencent's strong belief in its long-term growth prospects, or is it a strategic move to consolidate ownership and manage its market presence more effectively? The implications could be far-reaching for Tencent's stock performance and investor sentiment. But Tencent's financial maneuvers aren't the only big news. We're shifting focus to one of their affiliated enterprises making waves in the data world. Next, Xunce Technology's ambitious IPO plans in asset management data. Xunce Technology eyes global IPO in asset management data race. In the rapidly evolving world of financial technology, a Tencent-affiliated enterprise, Xunce Technology, is making a bold bid to become the first stock in asset management data. With a valuation already soaring and a Hong Kong IPO on the horizon, this company is positioning itself as a key player in real-time data infrastructure and analysis. Xunce Technology, founded in 2016, specializes in aggregating and processing multi-source data through a unified platform, primarily serving institutional asset managers. Despite significant revenue growth, the company has faced persistent losses, largely attributed to substantial investments in research and development, administrative costs, and sales expansion. Their prospectus reveals a complex financial picture, with revenues climbing but net losses widening in recent years, alongside a declining net revenue retention rate. This has been partly explained by industry slowdowns and reduced customer spending, particularly in the asset management sector. Despite these financial challenges, Xunce Technology has attracted considerable investment, including backing from prominent figures like Jack Ma and institutions such as Tencent and Goldman Sachs Group. The company's latest cross-round financing reportedly valued it at approximately 6.22 billion yuan. Investors and industry analysts are closely watching Xunce Technology's journey as it navigates the path to its Hong Kong IPO, aiming to prove its potential in the high-stakes asset management data market. From the high-stakes world of finance, we're switching gears to something completely different, a delightful new gaming experience. Get ready to shrink down with Animula Nook, the cozy fantasy life sim from LilliLandia Games. Shrink down and explore. Animula Nook invites you to a Lilliputian fantasy. Prepare to embark on an adventure unlike any other as LilliLandia Games, an indie studio under Tencent Games, unveils its enchanting new title, Animula Nook. This fantasy life simulation game transports players into a whimsical Lilliputian world, where everyday objects become fantastical landscapes and every corner holds a new discovery. In Animula Nook, you'll become a tiny adventurer exploring a world scaled for the small. Imagine navigating towering coffee mugs, sprawling bookshelves, and lush houseplant forests, all while building your own homestead. Players can gather unique resources like raindrops and wind for crafting, grow crops in flower pots, and customize their miniature haven with everyday objects transformed into charming homes and shops. The game emphasizes creativity, exploration, and forging friendships with the delightful cast of tiny folk that inhabit this miniature world. The game boasts key features designed for an immersive experience. Discovering a vast, tiny world, collecting extraordinary materials, building with common household items, befriending whimsical characters, and defining your unique style with extensive customization options. With intuitive creative tools, players can easily bring their visions to life. Animula Nook is set to make its debut at the Tokyo Game Show and is available for wishlist on Steam, Epic Games Store, and PlayStation, with future releases planned for Switch 2 and Mac. That's all the news for today, but stick around for a super fast recap of everything we covered. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. And that's a wrap on today's Payments Bulletin. We covered Tencent's global push with TCE Sovereign Cloud, their massive share buyback, Xunce Technology's IPO ambitions in asset management data, and the charming new life sim, Animula Nook. Stay tuned for more updates.